Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here. Hello. Well, I'm going to read for you a poem called Unapologetically You. Being you shouldn't be a reason to apologize. Be you, be weird, be crazy, do things that others don't expect you to do. Be that true authentic you, because authenticity is well protected and supported. Remember that. So, unapologetically you. You're weird, I'm told. Strangeness is one of your dominant traits. Be unapologetically you. For your uniqueness, it is what makes you you. Let your freaky, kinky nature have expression. Put your strangeness on display. Trigger aliveness in life. Live unapologetically you. This life is timed. The countdown is on. Express your true life. Make your true mark. Live as your true self. Be memorable and unapologetic. Your freaky, your freakish nature is where the magic resides. So be unapologetically you. We want to see your freakishness, your weirdness, and your uniqueness right there on display. Don't dim your light down for anybody or anything or any situations. Get rid of limiting beliefs that are making you try to mold yourself into something, yet you're free. You can be whatever you want, whatever lights your spirit up, because that's the only way you can be you can feel alive, by doing and being that uniqueness. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon.